They are the Mademoiselle. They are the Mademoiselle. They are the Mademoiselle.
Bruh.
They are the Mademoiselle. Hey lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Charmaine, and in today's video I'm just going to show you a teeny tiny Sephora VIB haul. I got some goodies, not as much as I wanted, but there was something that I really wanted. Of course, it's the Jackie Aina palette. Oh my gosh, I'm sure by now you guys have all seen it, but I'm still gonna open it up and show you anyway. It is so pretty. Oh my god. It won't come out. Oh my god, like it's literally not coming out. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Oh, the packaging. Oy, oy, oy. It's got a mirror and a dual-ended brush that just fell out. Let me turn my light down so you can see the colors. Look at how gorgeous they are. Oh my god. They look like they're super pigmented too. So that's that. I'm really backed up on my looks. Like, I don't know, for those of you that might know or might not know, I'm getting married next year, so I'm like super stressed with planning the wedding and everything, and my face is just like breaking out like crazy. So I haven't been really doing much looks because I have friends on my face that won't get lost. But I'll try and do some looks, and if you want a swatch video, let me know down below and I will do that. Then I got these guys. I have 3 of them. They're by Fenty Beauty. They are the Mademoiselle Plush Matte Lipsticks. Beautiful. I've tried one already because I couldn't wait. So I got the shade, what's this called? Griselda. It is like a nice burgundy. Is so beautiful. Look at that. Let's give her a swatch. Oh my god, isn't that pretty? Packaging is too cute. But I wore this all day and it wasn't drying or anything, and it stayed put. I really loved it. Next one is Madame, and it's a gorgeous red. I haven't tried this one yet, but look at that. And I think it's so cute that the initials are stamped on the lipstick as well. Let's give that one a swatch. Oh, yes. Look at that. Ooh. And the last one is Flamingo Acid. I don't know how I'm going to feel about this because it looked really bright on the site, but not so much in person. It's like a berry color. Let's see. Let's give it a swatch. Oh, yeah. Oh, no. This one is staying. Yeah, definitely keeping all of them. Oh yeah, I'm definitely keeping all of these. I love them. Oh, so beautiful. If you want a lip swatch video, again, comment down below and I'll definitely do that for you. That will be actually a fun one to do. So put it down below so I can see. That's everything to my haul. Oh, I forgot. I did pick up 2 of these. They're not for me, like already this one's full. I picked up 2, one for my mother and one for my sister, because I was raving about how good it is, so they wanted to try. So I did get 2 of these, but I've already given it to them. That's why you're not really seeing them in the box. So now I'm definitely done. If you have any questions, leave them down below. You know I like to see your comments. If you enjoyed this quick VIB Sephora haul, give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any more of my cheesy videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!